never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm reading it slow so I can.
Good morning. My name is Carlos with MTS Landscape. On this video, I kind of want to talk about how to stain and seal concrete. This one behind me we did a few months back, and the steps were cantilever steps. It ended up knocking off the corner of the step, so we had to do a repair. And a good way to kind of blend the two colors is just to kind of stain it and then give it a nice clear coat. Once that's done, so after we stain it, it's going to look like this. So you can see kind of like the different texture on there, and I'll show you what it looked like before. This one we just finished doing now. So this is what the steps look like currently. This whole section ended up coming off while we were pulling out the forms. So in order to kind of blend these two together, we're going to go ahead and stain them and then put a clear coat over them. But first thing we have to do is go ahead and wash it down, and then go ahead and put the sealant, or I'm sorry, the stain. And then after that, we'll go ahead and scrub it down, kind of scrub off any imperfections while it's still able to be scrubbed, and then we should be finishing that up. So let me walk you through the steps. So first thing we're doing, power washing, and then we'll start throwing some color. So I'll take a look. All right, you guys are done with this first set. Fill up that planter bed. Juan and I are gonna go ahead and put the clear coat over this section here. So just like the sealer, start kind of the corners, the perimeter area. And then just go in a circular pattern. All right, so here we are. Finish up with the steps. As you can see, this one was the one that had to fade in for the repair. Now let me show you. And the guys are still working on the pavers. Finished that step over there. And here's the clear coat up here. And let that dry, get another coat in there. But that's basically how you would seal and stain and seal the concrete. Okay, so just finished the pavers, staining and sealing the concrete. You know, let me know if you guys like those you know, how-to videos, DIY videos. Another thing that I was thinking about doing was doing kind of a giveaway for December, maybe like a tool or a Home Depot, Lowe's gift card giveaway. You know, because the channel, I do want to have a lot more do-it-yourselfers and how-to videos, so I think it'll be kind of cool to give you guys some tools or some money towards tools to be able to get some stuff done around your house. Someone's at my house. But that, you know, just let me know what you guys think. Put it down in the comments, and you know, we'll go ahead and figure something out. Let me know what you guys think, and if you guys like this type of content or what kind of content you guys are looking for. But that's gonna be it for this one. I will see you guys at the next job site. Have a good one.